Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to create a new playlist in YouTube through Android or in mobile phone. So it is quite easy. You need to come to the video you want to add to the new playlist and then click on the three dots of the video, like I want to save this video in a new playlist. So I'll click on the three dots over here and I come down to the option save to playlist, which is this one option. And here in the new menu on the top, you see here is written new playlist. If I click on new playlist, so I need to enter the title of the playlist, and for the time being I just gave it PowerPoint. So I click done. That's the title of my new playlist, and then I click the visibility option to public, and I click create. In the new list, playlist C list, so the video has been added to the new playlist PowerPoint. So this way you can create new playlist in YouTube through mobile or through the app running on Android. Thanks for watching.